In this section, we'll be converting our Figma design into a one-page website using Card. Functionality-wise, we'll predominantly be using Card to create our one-page newsletter website. We'll also be using Unsplash for images and MailerLite for email marketing. We won't be using any templates. We'll be starting with a blank canvas, so you understand how it all comes together. This is the most satisfying and best way to learn. Though I'm sure many of you are familiar with one-page websites, I want to highlight the fact that one-page websites don't have to be commercially driven. They can be personal. Many people consider WordPress for one-page websites. Personally, I don't like it. I feel there are more sophisticated tools out there to achieve better results without coding. In previous times, you had to understand how to write code to create a one-page website. For example, here's some code written in a programming language to build a one-page website. We're going to be able to achieve the same results without writing code. As we work through building our newsletter website, the process will become clear. By the end of this section, you'll have a good overview of how to build one-page websites using Card, holding you in good stead as you begin to build your own one-page websites. In the next lecture, I'll show you the resources needed for this project. See you there.